welcome to the first WordPress tutorial for the Polk County Community Connections Virtual Resource Center. So we're talking about the WordPress dashboard, and today we're going to specifically focus on the home page and how to change it if it needs to be changed. So we're first going to navigate to Pages right here. After we go to Pages, we're going to click Front Page. Now this controls the front page, and this is what it looks like without any sort of pictures or text or anything, and it's obviously going to look different. Once we give it to you, it'll have pictures, but just so you know what it looks like if there's nothing, this is what it looks like right now. And just for reference, we wanted to actually make it similar to your current page so that it kind of helped you understand it a little better. But yeah, so things that we really wanted to take from your current website and incorporate them into the new website. So these cards with the different categories, we wanted to kind of put that in there, and we also wanted to put the donate a section of your web page onto your new web page that we're making for you guys. So just for reference, those will be included, and I will show you how right now. So when you go to edit the front page, this is what it's going to look like. And I will show you exactly how these match up with the home page. Alrighty, so first you can see it says home right here. This is going to refer to this bar right here, and we already have that pre-programmed for you guys, so you guys don't have to worry about it, and it will probably look a little bit different when we give it to you, but again, that's okay. So next we're going to click here, and this says hero heading, hero content, hero image, hero button. This is going to refer to this whole area right here, and I will show you how. So really quickly, you can see it says announcements here. So it's going to say announcements here. It's going to copy that there. Then I can put a little summary or description, and that will show up right here. And then there will be a button, and I can put a URL there, and the button will go right to that URL. And you can also add an image for the background, which is really cool. So let's just choose something at random. Yeah, and I will update it really quickly. I'm going to go back over here and reload the page. You can now see that there's a really cool background right there. And so this will be really nice for different announcements and different things for you guys, and you can change it up whenever you want. Next, I want to talk about the 6 categories. Now you can see there's nothing there right now, but basically this is again what inspired us on this section, and Kaylee did a really great job of replicating it so it looks really nice still, but it also is kind of fresh and just familiar. So you can have a section 1 header if you want, so we're going to put categories, and then let's just choose a random picture, and then we're going to title it health. This is a summary, and then you can also choose a button URL to go to that page if you so choose or want to. Yeah, and you can do this for all 6 of these, but I'm just going to do 1 so I can keep it short for you guys. So I'm going to update it and then go back to the page, reload it. We can kind of see what this looks like. And again, it's grainy because I just chose something at random. But yeah, so now you have a really cool category, and then you can also see that we have this categories label right here. And then down here is one of the really cool things that Kaylee actually thought of. So on your current website, there's a little area that allows people to donate, and you can see that you guys have these little cards right here. So Kaylee decided it'd be really cool if you guys had a section on the page where you could donate, and it says donate right here. This is a description. We'll put a little summary in there. You can also say donate here. You can have a little link to your button, but the card types is probably my favorite part of this. So you can actually choose different pictures for cards, similar to how you have these little cards here. You can also choose like a picture of PayPal or a different place to donate. So it's really up to you, and if you don't put anything there, that's totally fine. It just, nothing will show up there. So yeah, so let's update the page really quickly, and then let's go over here, reload the page, and kind of see what that looks like. So yeah, this is what this looks like really quickly, and you can see there's a button. Since we don't have a link or anything on it, it's just going to reload the page. So remember to put your URLs in there, but that's basically how everything lines up with the home page. And yeah, so if you change something, it'll change over here. And if you ever want to change things, go ahead and refer to this video so that you know what changes what and how things are going to change. So yeah, I hope this helped.